What am I saying though? Can't do it. Sam can't. No, I can't do it.
George, do it.
No, Sam, I don't want to do it anymore. Is it an RS3?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Laura from the Body Centre here. Sam can't be here because he's very grumpy today, so you've got me instead, and this video is all about the RS3. I don't know what else to say.
We're going to be fitting a Maxton. Tell the viewers what we're doing.
We are going to be fitting a
Maxton
Design Bodykit.
Wow.
Hope you enjoy the video. Pardon?
Please like, share, subscribe.
Please like, share and subscribe.
There's YouTube. Come on, Lawsy.
Fantastic work. That was pathetic.
Not
Cheers.
doing that.
So guys, as you can see, we're now in a strip and fit department. The RS3 is up on the ramp. Nelly has now unboxed all of the Maxton design kit. Now this kit, we haven't obviously fitted one of these before because it's brand new. So the front splitter, for instance, comes in 2 sections. So we bolt on the parts to the main front splitter. Same with the rear diffuser as well. Sill cover has the full strip run down the side with 2 end little lips coming up as well. So that is going to look awesome. I can't wait to see this done. Let's go over to Nelly and see how he's getting on with the build-up.
You had a bad day, didn't you?
Nelly did say not feeling that great, he said come and have a chocolate coin. Can he give me the big one as well? Look at that.
Oh.
So guys, as you can see, we are now complete with the RS3, and I think you all can agree it does look so much better. They're such an aggressive looking car anyway. I love the new style honeycomb grille that they have, but obviously with this Maxton kit that's now gone on, it's made it that even more aggressive. This wasn't really a tutorial video, it was just a video to show you what it was before to what we've made it look now. And I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have an RS3 on the way, any kind of RS3, any kind of car at all, to be fair, we fit all different types of body kits. So yeah, if you need any of our services, please don't hesitate to get in the old comments or drop us a message. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.